So we move on to our next set of events and we'll start in 2 to 3 minutes. So our next set of events is the Reels making competition. I hope we have all the participants here. So we'll be starting in 2 to 3 minutes. All the best to all the participants.
First participant we have is Shivangi Mukherjee.
Is definitely going to stay true to the stereotypes that it has created. Somewhere, someone will always have a problem if you don't fit into their bubble. You know what the funny thing is? You'll have a choice every day to become who you'd want to be. You're not merely the shades of black or white, you're a rainbow. You're not what the society conditions you to be. You're amazing. Well, ask me why. Because you are unapologetically.
Explain your stand on the reel that you created.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Hi. Hi. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so hi everyone. This is Shivangi Mukherjee, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this. So I hope you liked what you saw right now. Basically, what happens is we are always, trapped into these boxes, and no matter how hard we try to fit in the society and according to the stereotypes that it has created, that we have created, हम लोगों को हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं पर बॉक्स किया जाएगा. ठीक है. it it is not even about wearing what you wear or talking in a certain way or being in a certain way. Some people will always have a problem with whatever you do. So in that way it becomes so much more important to actually recognize that who you are and what you want to do. So in that way we can stop giving in to what the society conditions us to be and really become who we are. And I also heard sir saying this beautiful thing that you have to yourself believe in what you are and who you are, so that you stop believing that person, that what he thinks about you or what she thinks about you. And being a girl, it's not even something to ponder upon, because we have always फेल्ट दैट वे राइट, दैट हम लोगों ने कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज़ पहनी है तो लोग हमें उस तरीके से जज कर लेंगे, या हम लोग किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को फॉलो कर रहे हैं या फिर उस तरीके से बात कर रहे हैं तो लोग हमें उस बॉक्स में डाल देंगे. सो इसके लिए इट इज़ सो मच मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट टू एक्चुअली बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड नॉट लेट the society fool you into becoming who you want to become. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivangi. So the next participant we have is Harsha Bhambani. Moving on, the third participant is Siddharth Verma. I would request you to come up and speak.
Sorry that right now I'm outside. I'm visiting my site visit. So basically, the idea behind this reel is that I'm a classical dancer, and when I was in school, a lot of people supposed to tease me saying that this is a dance form of girls. एक लड़का classical dance करता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता, but for me, when a boy performs a classical dance, he looks so beautiful. And if you take an example of Tanda, which is performed by Shiv, Lord Shiva, Nataraj, that is also come under that category where you have to show the mudras and everything. And uh, people always stereotype this thing कि आप लड़के हो तो आपको सिर्फ हिप हॉप करना चाहिए, even not even contemporary, because वो थोड़ा feminine चला जाता है. And when I was in my undergraduation, we were making a play on depression, and while searching the content for the play, I got to know about that a lot of people who are in depression, because and the reason behind that is their dance skills, because a lot of people think a person who is dancing, a classical dancer, is equal to gay or homosexual. And this is the same thing that happened with me also. A lot of people started questioning my dance form, and I was like, it's my personal choice that I am doing, and it's a route, it's an a route. So yeah, I think this is the reason behind my
Siddharth, before moving on to the next participant, I would just like to say something. I myself, as a Bharatanatyam dancer, you are really graceful in what you do.
thank you so much.
Participant, we have Tanya Chaudhary.
Good morning, everyone. So, I made a reel on my personal experiences on stereotypes as someone who is a woman and someone who comes from Northeast India. There is this intersectionality of identities, right? Which kind of leads to own unique experiences of how stereotypes are faced. So I have depicted those experiences, putting in forward the intersectionality of identities, and tried to show some of the stereotypes that I have seen, experienced myself, seen my friends experience, and have unlearned myself stereotypes regarding women and someone from Northeast. So that's what my reel is all about. Thank you.
Last reel of the competition, that's of Gauri Singh.
We'll be moving on to our next set of competition, that is the quiz competition.
It's visible.
Okay. So we are starting with a quiz, and yeah. So first of all, congratulations all the finalists. And okay, this numbering is same as your team numbering. So yeah, note it down. Team A, Nishta Gupta. Team B, Anurag Gupta. Team C, Sambudha Biswas. Team D, Vishesh Singh. Team E, Shantanu Surayan. Okay, so here are the rules of the competition. I'll just read it out for you guys. There are 2 rounds in the competition. Each round has a total of 10 questions, and it would be 2 questions each participant. Each questions carry 10 marks each, no negative on a direct. Your number has been done on basis of a prelims score. You will get 30 seconds each to answer every question. If person is unable to answer, then it will be passed on to person B, and so on. When one participant is answering, it is requested that other participants to please be muted, and if anyone is found unmuted, then their marks would be deducted. Okay, so Quizmaster is God, and in case of tie, money would be equally divided between both the participants. I hope all the rules are. Sorry.
Actually, ma'am, I don't know. Somebody has removed me from the meeting. I just again joined.
Okay, can you please say your name?
Anurag Gupta.
Okay, so are you like, are you here now? Like, can I start the quiz?
Yeah, no, it's yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay. So I hope everybody has noted down their numbering, and I think rules are clear. If you have any questions, you can ask now.
Is there a count?
Yes.
No, there is no count.
All
I'll
right.
just yeah. Every team has 2 questions. Just in case they cannot answer, it will be passed. So there will be 2 rounds. Round 1, it's all basic, and round 2 is observe and guess, which will be audio-visual round. So team A, Nishtha Gupta.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, please, could you please share the previous slide because I have just joined now, so I have not
Sorry,
read the
you are
rules
not.
fully.
Your audio is not audible. If you cannot see the PPT, ping into Vidushi Gurd's screen. I
Yeah,
still
I
can't
am
see the
seeing the
PPT
PPT. The
even
thing I
after.
am saying is,
Okay, please can
I
one at
am
a time.
saying that,
Hmm.
ma'am, I am saying that could you please share the main slide of the rules and regulations because I have just joined now only.
Sorry, sir, you're not clear. What should I share? Rules.
ये rules वाली slide.
Okay, okay. Should I like repeat them again?
Yes, ma'am, rules वाली
Okay.
जो slide है, हाँ ये वाली slide की बात कर रहा हूँ. So, okay.
Should I repeat them again?
No, 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 it's okay. I'm reading
Okay.
it. No.
Okay, one more announcement. Everybody, please remember their number because I won't be saying the name. Should we begin?
Vidushi, I think can you repeat the numbering for everybody so it would be easier?
Yeah, I will repeat it once again. Okay, so team 1 is Nishtha Gupta. Team participant 1 is Nishtha Gupta. Participant 2 Anurag Gupta. Participant 3 Sambhuda Biswas. Participant 4 Vishesh Singh. Participant 5 Shantanu Surayan. I hope it's clear now. Okay, we are beginning with the quiz. Okay, and timekeeper for today is Kashvi and scorekeeper is Ananya. And you will get 30 seconds to answer each question. And I'm beginning with participant 1. All the best. Participant 1, please unmute yourself. Okay. X coined the term stereotype. X also won 2 Pulitzer Prizes and a well-known name in the field of journalism. The time starts now. Participant 1, should I repeat the question?
It's all right. Walter Lippmann.
Yes, it's absolutely correct. 10 points to participant 1. Okay, moving on to participant 2. I request participant 2 to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So question 2. Released in 1994, this biographical film is claimed as the mother of cinema on oppression, subjugation and caste politics. Directed by famous director Shekhar Kapoor. Trivia, you will find opposite of king in the movie's name. Name the movie. Should I repeat the question?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please, once more.
Okay. Your time has been started. Released in 1994, this biographical film is claimed as the mother of cinema on oppression, subjugation, and caste politics. Directed by famous director Shekhar Kapoor, you will find opposite of king in the movie's name. Name the movie.
Bandit Queen. Bandit Queen. Bandit Queen.
Yeah, this is
Bandit
absolutely
Queen.
right. 10 points to participant 2. Moving on to participant 3, I would request participant 3 to unmute. Okay, question 3. Nature made a mistake which I have corrected. By Christina Georgeson. Love him and let him love you. Do you think anything else under heaven really matters? James Baldwin. Which stereotype does this quote hint at? And here is a hint also. AIDS was closely associated to the stereotype. Your time starts. Should I repeat the question? Participant 3.
I think it's related to LGBT.
Absolutely right. 10 points to participant 3. Okay, moving on to participant 4. I request to unmute. Friends, an American television sitcom stereotyped one of his main characters as gay. Name the person who played that character. Your times have started. Should I repeat the question?
No, thank you.
Okay, your time is up. This question is passed to participant 5. I would request him to unmute. Should I repeat the question? Friends, in American television sitcom, stereotyped one of his main characters as gay. Name the person who played that character. Participant 5. Participant 5. Should I repeat the question? Okay, so participant 5 is also unable to answer. Okay, so I am telling the answer. It's Matthew.
Wait, shouldn't it pass to team
No,
one?
it's a one pass only.
One pass, but after 4.
It's not infinite bound. It's not that.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so answer is Matthew Perry, and he Chandler was his character's name. Yeah. Moving on, question for participant 5. I would request participant 5 to unmute himself. X is an Indian political figure who has been in news recently for his conservative and stereotypical comments on women clothing that have evoked sharp reactions from several quarters, including his own party. He was also the president of the Student Union at Hemavati Nandan Bhogana Gharwal University in 1992. Your time starts.
Tirath Singh Rawat.
Should I repeat the question, participating 5?
The answer is Tirath Singh Rawat.
Okay. Absolutely correct. 10 points to participant 5. Moving on, now question for participant 1. X plays the princess of the Amazons on a sheltered island paradise who was being trained to become an undefeatable warrior. Her life is suddenly turned on its head. This movie breaks the stereotype that women are weak. Name X. Should I repeat participant 1?
Wonder Woman.
Okay. Okay, so you have to name the person who played the character. So you were right, but it was Gal Gadot. Oh yeah. No points.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. No points to participant 1. Moving on. Next
So I have a
question.
one doubt. That he. Okay. So continue. Okay, continue.
Second question to participant 2. I would request him to unmute.
Yeah.
The story follows Dash's daughter to the chief of a Polynesian tribe. She learned about a legend from her grandmother Tala, who claimed that Tifiti, the all-known island goddess, had a heart with the power to create life, but it was stolen by demigod Mau, who was planned on giving the heart to all humanity. This Disney princess is the hero of her own story. Name this princess. Should I repeat the question?
No. It's already so long, so I will not able to understand.
Sorry, can you please come again?
Uh, it's is Pocahontas. I don't know. I have POC Ponchontas.
Okay, so let's look at the answer. It's Mona. So sorry, no points to participant 2.
Mona is, I think, movie name.
It's Mona, sir. Moving on, participant 3. I would request participant 3 to unmute. Oktoberfest is the world's largest wax fest. It is held annually in Munich, Bavaria, and Germany. This fest is said to arise from a common stereotype. What is that stereotype? The time starts. Should I repeat the question?
No. Um, no idea about the answer.
Okay. So the stereotype is that German drinks lot of beer. Volksfest itself means the beer drinking festival. There's a common stereotype that Germans drink lots of beer. Okay. Moving on to participant 4. I would request participant 4 to unmute. In the 21st century, the Dash is depicted as loud, aggressive, demanding, uncivilized, and physically threatening, as well as lower middle class and materialistic. She will not stay in what is perceived as her proper place. Her portrait in the American pop culture has adversely affected African American women. So you have to fill the gap. What such women are called? Your time has started. Should I repeat the question?
Yeah.
In the 21st century, the Dash is depicted as loud, aggressive, demanding, and uncivilized, and physically threatening, as well as lower middle class and materialistic. She will not stay in her place, perceived as her proper place. Her portrayal in the American pop culture has adversely affected African American women. Okay, your time has up. Okay, the question is passed to participant 5. Okay. I am repeating the question. In the 21st century, the Dash is depicted as loud, aggressive, demanding, uncivilized, and physically threatening, as well as lower middle class and materialistic. She will not stay in her what is perceived as her proper place. Her portrayal in the American pop culture has adversely affected African American women. So, do you know? Participant 5.
Yes, it's angry black woman.
Okay, absolutely right. Moving on, question for participant 5. White Americans are obese, lazy, and dim-witted is one of the most common stereotypes. This stereotype is shown in world-famous American sitcom Beat, based on an American family launched in late 90s. Name Beat. The time has started. Should I repeat the question, participant 5?
Yes, please repeat it.
Okay. White Americans are obese, lazy, and dim-witted is one of the most common stereotypes. This stereotype is shown in
Sorry to
world.
disturb you. It's Simpsons.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely right. Okay. So here we are in with round 1. I would request Ananya to share the score sheet. So you guys can have a look at your scores.
Just a minute.
Vidushi, can we have the next round of quiz after another event? Will that be okay for the participants? Because I think they need rest. They had a
No,
rigorous
no.
session. So will that be okay, participants?
Yes, it will be okay.
Will it
Sure.
be better if we have the quiz in continuation because I have classes lined up. I planned my day accordingly.
Okay, okay, we have heard. Others, are you okay having the quiz in continuation?
Yeah,
Yes, it's
I'm
okay
happy.
with
Oh,
me.
sure.
Can somebody please check if my screen is visible?
Your screen was visible, now it has gone again, Ananya.
Just a minute. Is it visible now?
I would request participants to have a look at scores and I hope they are fine. Okay, should I continue?
Vidushi, I think you can call out the score.
Okay, so team 1 is at 10 points, team 2 is at 10 points, team 3 is also at 10 points, team 4 0 points, and team 5 25 points. everyone is clear with their scores? Should I continue?
It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I would request Kalfi to switch off her mic and yeah. Okay, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So this is an audio visual round. I would request everybody to look at the visual very clearly because it will be present for like just 30 seconds. And also, I hope I'm starting with again participant one. Rules remains the same. Participant one, I hope you are ready. Please unmute yourself. Question one. This is a political cartoon by Edmund S. Wolfman from 1961 depicting stereotypical negative caricatures of dash and dash countries in United States. I hope image is clear. Participant one, do you want me to read what is written in the image?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It is written, "What you need, man, a revolution like mine." So there,
But a communist and socialist countries.
no.
Latin American, South American.
Yeah, like close. Okay, I'll just say the answer. Okay, it's Latin and Hispanic
Oh,
countries. And yeah, so half points to participant one.
thank you.
Moving on to participant two. I would request participant two to unmute. This is a cover
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
American Women magazine presenting the stereotypical image of a woman. This magazine is one of the Seven Sisters, a group of women's service magazine. Name the magazine.
So it's Time magazine.
Mm,
Times.
no, okay. So same question is passed to participant three. I am repeating the question. This is a cover of American Women magazine presenting the stereotypical image of a woman. This magazine is one of the Seven Sisters, a group of women's service magazines. Name the magazine.
Red book.
Okay,
Red book.
absolutely. Yeah, let us look at the answer. Okay, it's Red Book, absolutely correct. 5 points to participant three. Now,
Ma'am, I have one. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like in previous round, what you did is like when the participant one have answered incorrect, like it was second question of round one. So when Mr. Gupta has answered, participant one has answered incorrect, it should be passed on me, but you didn't have passed to me. So that was the issue.
she
But in this,
answered, sir, she did not answer incorrect, it was half answered. If so, that's why it was not
no,
passed.
previous round. I'm talking. I am talking about previous round. Like first round, you have a question. First round, second question. उन्होंने एक थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है आवाज़ में। उन्होंने जब फर्स्ट राउंड के जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन था, फर्स्ट राउंड की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो सेकंड जो क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा था वो गलत दिया था, मैंने भी गलत दिया था, उसका थर्ड पर्सन ने भी, तो लेकिन वो पास नहीं हुआ उस पर, मतलब मेरे ऊपर
No,
पास नहीं
sir,
हुआ।
because it was allowed one pass. Even for when the fourth participant did not answer, we passed it to only to participant five, and then I answered the question. So only
हाँ
one
तो वो
pass is
मेरे
allowed.
हाँ मैम, वही वही मैं भी कह रहा हूँ कि मैम वो एक पास तो आप उन्होंने गलत दे दिया आंसर, जैसे
हाँ
अभी
तो
मैंने ही गलत,
but sir, it was
जैसे
passed to you, and then when you answered incorrect, I answered the question.
नो नहीं ये हुआ ही नहीं ना आपने, अगर आप बाकी लोगों ने देखा होगा, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जैसे अभी मान लीजिए मैंने इसमें टाइम मैक्सिमम बताया, मैंने गलत दे दिया, तो वो पार्टिसिपेंट थ्री के पास गया क्वेश्चन, लेकिन
हाँ
बट
जी।
व्हाट हैपेंड दिस राउंड वन सेकंड क्वेश्चन दैट that that when शी answered incorrect, then it should be passed to me only. but it didn't pass. So that was the issue.
You are trying to say that when she answered incorrect, it wasn't passed to you.
Yes, ma'am. And you immediately told the answer. That is the issue. I just matlab keep into, but but later on I thought that it would be the rules and regulations. But after seeing this one, like I answered incorrect, and you just passed to participant three. So that is why I'm asking this issue.
Okay, I think it is a glitch from our side, sir, and we are really sorry for this because, as far as I remember, it was passed and you could not answer it.
No, no. अगर ऐसा होता, why should I just have a words with you? Or I have, why should I have told you? What you can do is now is that, like I have answered in Time Magazine, it's an incorrect question, it's an incorrect answer. Then you could not give points to participant three with due respect to participant number three.
I
Uh,
don't.
अगर
Vidushi, wait 1 minute. Okay, sir. So we have a recording going on, and we'll be looking into it. And if we find that we have a glitch from our side, we will make
We'll
up
give
for
you
it.
half mark. Yeah,
Yeah.
and we
And
are
if we find there
extremely
is no glitch,
sorry.
so
Yes, actually, ma'am, you just see from yourself only. I don't have anything to do with that. But you just look from yourself. There is a lot of 144 members
so
are
we
there in this meet.
okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we have
Okay.
going on. So of course we'll look into it. I hope you understand since it's a virtual world, we all
Yeah.
can make mistakes. So if it's a glitch from our side, we'll go like we'll see and resolve the issue. And if it's not, we can continue with the quiz, please. So we'll say if there's a glitch, we'll add it to your marks. So don't worry about that. Vidushi, please
Yeah.
continue.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you so much, Saranya. And I'm so sorry. It is. I think if it's from our end, we'll definitely look into it. So now the I think question for participant number three. Moving on, I would request participant number three to unmute. These images hint towards a specific kind of stereotype about Russians. Most travelers who travel to Russia claim to experience the stereotype. Guess the stereotype.
No idea.
So the question is passed to participant number four. These images hint towards a specific kind of stereotype about Russians. Most travelers who travel to Russia claim to experience the stereotype. Guess the stereotype. Participant number four, would you like to answer?
No idea.
Okay, so I'll just show the answer. Okay, so there is a very common stereotype that Russian don't smile at strangers. They're scary people. And if you look at the photo, so the middle one, like the middle man, is not smiling, and everybody is smiling. So yeah. Moving on. So the question for participant four. And I would request participant four to unmute. Okay, so there is a video, and please let me know if audio is visible and look see it very clearly. Which community is being stereotyped in this video?
Gorkha community.
Can you please repeat your answer?
Gorkha community.
Absolutely correct. It's the Gorkha community. Okay, so now the question for participant five. I request participant five to unmute. This image portrays people of X country to be tidy and clean for the people who have traveled a lot. People of this East Asian country are considered to be the world's tiniest, most polite and punctual people. Name the country. You have to name the country X.
It's Japan.
Let us look at the answer. Yes, you are absolutely right. It's Japan. Okay, moving on to participant one. All these shows breaks a common stereotype about a prominent section of a society. Guess the stereotype. These are the images from Participant 1.
So it's the LGBTQ community.
Yeah. Yes. So these are a Netflix shows representing LGBTQ in their authentic forms. 10 points to participant 1. Moving on to participant 2. I would request participant 2 to unmute.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is again a video question. I'll just play. And this was the Women's Day campaign 2021 for Indian multinational technology company, specialized system and financial based in Noida. Name the company. I'll just play the video. Do you want me to play the video again? Participant 2. Okay, so the time
It's
has. Okay, I'm so sorry,
different.
sir. Time has up. I'm so sorry.
No, you have played the video. Okay, it's okay. No issue. But actually, you have played the video, and I
I think
was.
the time was
It's okay.
started.
No issues.
Yeah.
No issue.
So again, the same
No,
question.
no issues. You can carry on.
Same question for is passed to participant 3. I am playing
Uh,
the. Yeah.
which I'm not sure, but uh, I think the answer is Hindustan Unilever.
Okay. Let us look at the answer. Okay. No, it is Paytm. It was the Women's Day campaign 2021. Paytm, and the organization was Paytm. So no points to participant 3. Now question for participant 3. A right on button featuring an illustration of a clenched back fist to symbolize which movement in 1970s? Okay, your time is up. Question is passed to participant 4. A right on button featuring an illustration of a clenched back fist to symbolize which movement in 1970s? Participant 4, would you like to answer?
Uh, civil rights. I
Okay.
don't know. Civil rights, I guess.
Okay. Let us look at the answer. It's Black Power movement in Sirka. So yeah, no points to participant 4. Now question for participant 4. These images reflects limited view of black tribal women as being hypersexualized individuals. This arises from the stereotype X in American societies. What is X? X literally means an impudent, shameless, or morally unrestrained woman. Participant 4. Participant 4, would you like to answer?
I don't know.
Okay, your time is up. The question is passed to participant 5. These images reflects limited view of black tribal women as being hypersexualized individuals. This arises from the stereotype X in American societies. What is X? X literally means an impudent, shameless, or morally unrestrained women. Participant 5, would you like to answer?
No.
Okay, so let us look at the answer. The answer is Jezebel stereotype. Now, the question for participant 5. Name the woman who is commonly known as the voice of civil rights movement.
Can you please repeat the question?
Name the woman who is commonly known as the voice of the civil rights movement. I think the image. Okay, time up. No points to participant 5. The question is passed to participant 1. Name the women who is commonly known as the voice of civil rights movements. Participant 1, would you like to answer?
Oh, I'll give it a guess. Rosa Parks.
Can you please repeat?
Rosa Parks.
Okay. No, it's Audita.
Okay.
No points to participant 5. With this, we come to the end of the quiz. And yeah. So, thank you so much.
Stay tuned. So now we are going to move on to our next set of competition. That is our last set. That is the cartoon making competition. Vidushi. Yeah. So before we start with the cartoon making competition, I'm going to read out the criteria on which we have we'll be judging the cartoon making competition. That is number 1, idea and creativity for the post. Number 2, precision, that was art wise. Number 3, relevance to the topic. And number 4, execution of your ideas. So all the best to all the participants. Go.
Hi everyone. So now we'll be displaying our entries for the cartoon making competition, and I request you all to please spin to Vidushi's screen only. So yeah, Vidushi, start please. Vidushi, am I audible?
Was my screen was not visible?
It was. The slides weren't moving. Can you do it again? Maybe there was a glitch.
Okay, just let me know. Okay.
It is visible. So the first entry we have is from Bhavna Kaushik. I would request Bhavna to please say a few words about her entry. Bhavna, would you like to say something about your entry? Do we have her in the participant list?
Bhavna isn't here in the meet.
Okay, in that case, let's move on to the next participant. The next entry that we have is by Khushi Sinha.
Yes, I am here.
Yeah. Vidushi, could you please move on to the next slide for display Khushi's entry? Guys, is it just me or the screen is frozen for everyone? Can you
No,
see?
it's frozen for everyone. I guess I'm.
Yes, it is frozen.
I think she got disconnected.
Okay, just a second. I'll deal with this technical glitch. Let me Vidushi, you've moved on.
I was on the Khushi Sinha's slide.
Try again. It was displaying Sakshi's slide, so like maybe just try again if it's possible.
Is it fine now?
Yes.
Play Kushi Sinha's slide. This is Kushi Joshi.
Is it fine?
No, Vidushi.
Now, is it fine?
No, 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 no. Okay, 2 minutes. Give us 2 minutes. We are
Yeah,
resolving the
guys,
glitch.
we're very sorry for this. Just 2 minutes.
Okay, I think now.
It's fine now. It's fine.
It's fine now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
We're so sorry for the delay. Kushi, would you please like to say a few words about your work?
Yeah. So, hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Khushi from Kamla Nehru College. So, I have tried to cover some main stereotype thinking of our society through my cartoon. There is one thinking still exists in our society that we want pretty, fair, and nice figured bride. But in reality, these factors cannot decide the nature of the person. Most of the times, girls have to choose between career and family. But why not both? The main idea of my cartoon is be you, do you, for you, and just forget log kya kahenge. Thank you.
Thank you for your beautiful words, Kushi. Now let's move on to the next participant, that is Kushi Joshi.
Is it visible?
Yes. Kushi Joshi, do we have Kushi Joshi here with us? I don't think Kushi Joshi is in the participant list. Please correct me if I'm wrong, so that we can move
Yes,
on.
she isn't here. She isn't here.
So let's move on to the next participant. The next artwork that we have is by Sakshi.
Is it visible?
Yes. Sakshi, would you like to explain or just give a brief about your work, please?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sakshi Mishra from Janki Devi Memorial College. As you can see in my painting or in my work, that the boy is representing the society and he's blowing bubbles. Basically, the blowing of the bubble shows that these are the making of the rules. And in bubbles, as you can see, that in one bubble, I've shown that there is always people always consider that first always means successful. That's not true. All we all know about it. The second is that a girl having many male friends is slut shamed, and a boy having many girlfriends is not. He's people think that he's quite cool. In the third bubble, as you can see, there is about the LGBTQ movement, as you all know about it, and the common stereotypes which we have regarding that. That's all it is all about.
Thank you for such a holistic depiction, Sakshi. Now we'll be moving on to the next participant, that is Tanya Gupta. Do we have Tanya Gupta with us here?
Yes.
Hi, Tanya. I would request you to please say a few words about your artwork.
Is it visible?
Yes. Yes. May I start?
Yes, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanya Gupta and I am from Metti College, first year sociology. And in this drawing of mine, I have shown the stereotypes regarding the society which define gender with certain roles and character. In my painting, I have shown that in first drawing, a man makeup does not have any gender, and second one, clothes does not have any gender, and in the fourth one, it's love doesn't have any gender, and the fifth one I have shown the work doesn't have any gender. And in the middle one, I've shown the reality of the society, which means the woman working in a kitchen and dressed up in a certain way, and man is going to a work. Uh, so that's what I have depicted from my drawing. Means love, makeup, clothes, and work are genderless, but a society tries to define the role and character of a certain gender. That's all in my drawing.
Thank you so much, Tanya. Now we'll be moving on to the last cartoon that we have, and that is by Tripti Rawat. Do we have Tripti with us?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tripti Rawat and I'm from Deshpande College. As you already seen that in my cartoon character there is one boy with a shaggy white hair. Actually, my cartoon character name is Red Eye and is based on anime fiction. As we know that nowadays students are very fascinated towards animes, so and there is some people in our society who has some natural superpowers like telekinesis and precognition. So uh, I show this by my character. So he has some superpowers like telekinesis and precognition, which is also called as future vision and future sight. Uh, so he has some ability to see events in the future, and he shows impressive restraint with his powers, and his features are not easily unforgettable. Thank you.
So, with that, we'd like to conclude this cartoon making competition. I'd like to congratulate
Excuse me.
all the participants.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm Parimandhan Sahal, first year history student from Kamala Nehru College. I had also registered for this competition and I had actually mailed my cartoon and it's not displaying over here. I'd mailed my cartoon at sociologyknc@gmail.com because it wasn't going via the Google form.
Okay, this might be a technical glitch on our end, Vidushi.
No, Priyal, only those cartoons who are those who are shortlisted, they have been presented.
Okay. I hope your doubt is clear.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
So with that, we conclude this, competition. I would like to congratulate all the participants for bringing out their artistic side, and we'll get back to you about the results very soon.
So I think it was sixth or seventh grade. I think I was in Delhi at that time. We were shifting a lot, so I had shifted to a new school. So I was new at that, and so I don't know, but I had a lot of male friends. Boys were, I think I connected well with boys in that school because I don't like all that girly stuff the girls did there. So yeah, so I was having lunch with boys, and then I experienced a lot of teasing by girls. My classmates that were girls, so they were saying that why can't you be like a normal girl and talk like a normal girl, or why do you have so much male friends, or what do you hope to achieve by that? Because the males in our class were in academics were a lot. I don't know how to say. They were more. They were getting more marks, and they were more inclined towards study. So I think the girls thought that I was with them, so I can get notes and perform better. So yeah, that was my personal experience. But yeah, I did not like that, and it was very humiliating and also heartbreaking. I cried a lot that year. So yeah, that was my experience. So if anybody else experienced something like that, they can share now. Now I laugh about it. It's so silly.
Thank you so much, Archita. Others, anybody like to add anything similar? Anything? Guys, please just share your experiences.
Vidushi, uh, just a little bit of, I wanted to ask who was team 3 for the quiz competition?
Yeah, I'll just let you know.
Yeah, please. So, can anybody tell me, like, did you people enjoy the event? Did you people, how was your experience for the overall event? What all did you learn or anything? Yes, guys.
Okay, so I would like to first of all appreciate the whole teamwork that was done in this event and give special appreciation to Saranya for all this organizing thing. And Saranya, that academic lecture was really very fascinating. So thank you everybody who put their efforts in this.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
I'm so sorry for the glitch. I wanted to say that first of all, my name is Vedika, and I'm from Kamla Nehru College itself, from the sociology department. And my mother is a teacher, so I'm always expected to score good marks and behave in a certain way, always calm, and people expect more out of me. I don't know why. And I we can score less being a teacher's daughter, but now I really don't think that people make sense out of this, that a teacher's daughter should score high marks or should behave in a certain in a certain manner. We can be ourselves and just break the stereotype. Thank you so much.
So I think everybody is too, anxious to know about the results, especially the participants. Am I correct, guys? For the participants, are you people too anxious or you just want to know the results? That's it. So you people have to speak.
Okay, I am not anxious, but surely I want to know the results because I did not
Okay, but
participate.
we did participate, na Vidushi, so it's okay. I want to know about from the participants. See, if you don't tell us, how can we reveal the results? It's with us right now.
Also, guys, I would request to switch on the camera. Let's have a conversation.
We can, guys. This is especially in this virtual world. This is the only way we can have a conversation.
I think the participants are excited, but it's the online mode that we aren't able to see.
They're not being able to say. Okay, so let's announce the results. Let's not keep them waiting, or should we? Yes, Anji, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm Parimugha. I just wanted to share my cartoon with everyone that I'd made. I
Okay.
just want to share it.
Can I know your name again?
Ma'am, it's Parimugha. Mine wasn't shown for, my
Parimugha.
cartoon wasn't shown for the competition. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it wasn't shortlisted,
Yes, ma'am.
but we would like to hear it from you. What was it about? Let us know.
Ma'am, my cartoon targeted the discrimination that the Asian community faces and the stereotypes they go through in their daily life. And it was basically a restaurant scene in which a man, he orders a dim sum and he really likes it, so he wants to speak to the chef. When the chef comes out, he's baffled that the chef is not an Asian man, so he says that, so you're the chef? I was expecting a more Asian man to have made my dim sums like that guy over there. Now the Asian guy is sitting at the cash counter, and the chef replies that, no sir, that's the cashier. His type are usually good at maths. So it targets two of the stereotypes that the Asians face. One of them is that they're always considered as the momo wala, and second one is that since they're Asian, they're automatically going to be good at maths. I have my cartoon in front of me right now. Can I show it to them?
Yes, please, we'd love to see it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Is it visible?
So, and as we all say, it doesn't matter who wins and who comes last, but it matters is participation. So, congratulations for that. Okay, so let's reveal the results because people are waiting anxiously. So, we go with the reels first, then we come to the cartoon, and then we come to the quiz. Okay, so reels, go. Chitrangana.
I would request Chitrangada to announce the results.
I'm sorry, but I'm not notified about the results. Just a second for the delay. So the first prize goes to Siddharth Verma for displaying his amazing skill of classical dancing. And the second prize goes to Shivangi Mukherjee. So congratulations to the participants. We are really happy for you. Thanks for the hard work you put in.
Let's start with the third prize and then we can go to the first prize. Ananya, over to you, please.
Hi, so for the cartoon making, the third prize goes to Sakshi. Is Sakshi here?
Yeah, thank you.
Would you like to say something? Sort of an acceptance speech.
So it was great. Basically, I like the idea. That's why I made the cartoon. I was basically attracted by the idea. So that's it. Thank you for this. I'm just happy and excited.
Great. The second prize goes to Tanya Gupta. Is she here?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Thank you so much for that, and it was really amazing in participating in the competition. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanya. And finally, first prize. Any guesses? No one. So the first prize goes to Khushi Sinha. Is Khushi Sinha here?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Congratulations to everybody.
Announcing the results for the quiz competition. Let's begin with the third prize. The third prize goes to Team 3, which is by Sambuddha Biswas.
Is Sambuddha here? I don't think so. Any of the quiz people are here.
But we did announce well.
Yeah, I think they might have a schedule. I think Priya, you can go with the next.
Yeah, we can communicate that to them later, I guess. So the second prize goes to Team 1, Nishtha Gupta. Do we have them here?
I don't think so.
No, Nishtha is not here.
Okay, then of course we have the first prize, which goes to Team 5, Shantanu Suryan. Congrats.
Is Shantanu here? Sarana, can you please check?
Just checking me. No, I think he's not.
So I think no one is from. We'll definitely give them the news. So yeah. Thank you, Priya.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we have come to the end of our virtual annual department meet, Sign Show 21, I would like to propose my heartiest vote of thanks to everyone who made this event a successful one. Firstly, thank you to our principal ma'am, Dr. Kalpana Bhakune ma'am, for encouraging us to do the event, followed by our teacher in charge, Dr. Archana Prasad ma'am, for being there for us throughout. Next, I would like to thank our association teacher, Dr. Sharmishta Malik ma'am, for being there and helping us and coordinating us throughout the event. Congratulations to all the participants. As we have already mentioned, winning is not important, but participation is. So you people all are winners. A special thank you to the PR team members, which was headed by Priyal, Batra, and Vidushi Garg, which has been the backbone of the event. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all those who have joined in. Congratulations to the participants once again. And we'll be sending out your prizes and your certificates soon. I, Saranya Shah, President of the Sociology Association, Kamla Nehru College, sign off with this year's annual department meet, Sign Off Show 21. But before signing off, I would really want you to, switch on your camera so that we can take a picture.
Okay, before a picture, I would like to take a minute to thank Saranya for always being there and for the event. So yeah, I hope it's a lovely event and yeah.